I was just gifted this Molents ergonomic office chair and it is nice. I'm going to get into all the features, but first I want to talk real quick about assembly. It was very, very straightforward to assemble this. I think I spent the most time unpackaging everything. Everything was very well wrapped, very secure, very clear in how it all goes together. Didn't take much time at all. Now for the features. To start off with, this back, you can make it so it doesn't tilt, and you can also make it so it tilts and you have full control over the tilt tension with this knob on the bottom. Just spin that and it will change how hard or how easy it is to tilt. On top of that, it is height adjustable. I'm 5'11", and when it's on low, it's very low for me. And when it's on its highest height, my heels can't touch the floor. So great range on the height adjustment and very easy to maneuver. The gas lift, as you can hear it, is really precise. So that part's really, really nice. On top of that, these armrests are fully adjustable. You can tilt them whichever direction you want. You can also push them back or push them forward. And you can control the height with buttons on them all the way up and all the way down. So you can really make this chair your own. And then it has lumbar support. This cushion right here can push into your back where you want it to. It's not the easiest to adjust, but you can adjust this up and down along this section right here. And then you can spin this button here to choose how far it pushes into your back or not. And you really can adjust it quite a bit, so it can really push in a lot. Right now I can actually feel it with a lot of pressure, or I can have it back off so it's really not giving any pressure at all. So lots and lots of features here. Let's talk about the chair and the build. Now I absolutely love that this chair is all breathable mesh and it really has nice supportive give. Holds up really beautifully. I can see that it's built really well. And when I put it together, it was very obvious. The quality throughout, all the way down to the legs, very, very sturdy. I do wish the casters were metal, this piece, but they seem to be a very, very sturdy plastic, so I'm not too concerned about them, but that is one piece I noted when I put it together, but solid all around. And all the buttons are so easy to maneuver, really straightforward in how they work, and just clean to operate. And this seat is quite large and spacious. I really like that. I do have a couple, not exactly cons, but things to be aware of if you don't like them. One is that I often prefer the seats where the armrests actually fold up, and these armrests do not. So you will want to keep that in mind with your desk to make sure these armrests fit under it, depending on your setup. And I do wish that these armrests had some sort of padding. They are just a hard plastic, so that's just one small issue I have. Past that, it really does feel great. I really, really like the lumbar support, and for the price, I am very, very impressed with the quality. This is a great ergonomics office chair that I'm so glad I was gifted. I hope this video helps.